Mosquitoes are among the most widespread and numerous insects on Earth. They can be found in almost every region of the world, except Antarctica and some high-altitude or extremely arid areas. There are over 3,500 known species of mosquitoes globally, though only a portion of them regularly interact with humans. Mosquitoes belong to the family Culicidae and undergo a complete life cycle: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Most species lay their eggs in stagnant water, and even a small puddle, bottle cap, or flower pot tray can provide enough moisture for reproduction. Only female mosquitoes bite. They require the proteins and iron in blood to develop their eggs. Male mosquitoes, in contrast, feed exclusively on nectar and plant juices and never bite humans or animals. Females detect their hosts using a combination of signals: carbon dioxide from breath, body heat, skin odor, and movement. They can sense a person from up to 50 meters away. The mosquito's mouth is a complex structure. Its long proboscis consists of several needle-like components that pierce the skin, inject saliva containing anticoagulants to prevent clotting, and then begin to draw blood. It's this saliva that causes the itch, swelling, and irritation associated with mosquito bites. The lifespan of a mosquito depends on species, sex, and environment. Males typically live only a few days, rarely longer than a week, while females may live up to a month or more under favorable conditions. A single female can lay several hundred to several thousand eggs in her lifetime. Mosquito larvae live in water and feed on organic debris, microorganisms, and bacteria. They breathe through tiny tubes that reach the water's surface. Depending on temperature and habitat, they may develop into pupae and then into adult mosquitoes in as little as a week. Mosquitoes are notorious vectors of serious diseases. They transmit malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, yellow fever, West Nile virus, and lymphatic filariasis. These diseases collectively cause millions of infections and hundreds of thousands of deaths each year, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. Different mosquito species are active at different times. Anopheles mosquitoes, the primary carriers of malaria, usually bite at night, while Aedes mosquitoes, which spread dengue and Zika, are active during the day. Understanding these habits is crucial for effective prevention and control. The buzzing sound produced by mosquitoes in flight comes from the rapid beating of their wings, up to 600 times per second. This high-pitched noise also plays a role in communication between males and females during mating. Despite being considered pests, mosquitoes play a role in ecosystems. Their larvae help purify water by breaking down organic matter, and adult mosquitoes are a food source for fish, birds, bats, frogs, and other insects. However, an overpopulation of mosquitoes can disrupt local ecosystems and increase disease risks. Some mosquito species are picky about their hosts. Research has shown that people with blood type O are bitten more frequently than those with other blood types. Mosquitoes are also more attracted to individuals with higher body temperature, more active sweat glands, and increased carbon dioxide output. Bites can cause varying reactions depending on a person's sensitivity. While most people experience mild itching and swelling, others may suffer from severe allergic responses. Scratching the bite site increases the risk of infection. There are many methods to protect against mosquitoes: repellents, mosquito nets, window screens, smoke coils, and electric traps. In recent years, more advanced solutions have been introduced, including the release of sterile male mosquitoes, biological control, and genetic modification technologies. Global warming, urbanization, and deforestation have contributed to the expansion of mosquito habitats. In recent decades, mosquitoes carrying tropical diseases have begun to appear in regions where they were previously unknown, including parts of Europe and North America. Mosquitoes are equipped with sensitive sensory organs. Their antennae detect changes in humidity, temperature, and chemical signals, while their compound eyes give them a wide field of vision. Though they don't see detail well, they are highly responsive to motion and contrast. In colder climates, some mosquito species survive winter in a dormant state, either as eggs, larvae, or even adults, sheltered in basements, tree hollows, or leaf litter. They resume activity when temperatures rise in spring. There is a persistent myth that mosquitoes can transmit HIV. In reality, HIV cannot survive or replicate inside a mosquito's body and is not transmitted through their bite. This has been confirmed by extensive scientific studies. Fossil records show that mosquitoes have existed for over 100 million years. They appeared during the Cretaceous period and have evolved alongside the rise of flowering plants and warm-blooded animals. Their adaptability is one reason they have become so widespread and resilient. Some mosquito species prefer to feed on specific animals. While some target humans, others feed on birds, amphibians, reptiles, or even other insects. These preferences are shaped by environmental factors and evolutionary history. In areas where mosquito-borne diseases are common, public health campaigns often include education, vaccination, where available, and regular treatment of breeding grounds. Simple measures like emptying stagnant water containers can greatly reduce mosquito populations. Mosquitoes are attracted to dark clothing, which absorbs more heat. Wearing light-colored clothes can reduce your chances of getting bitten. Mosquitoes also tend to bite more often in humid conditions and after rain, when breeding sites are abundant. Despite their small size, mosquitoes are among the deadliest animals on Earth due to the diseases they spread. Combating them remains a major global health priority, especially in areas lacking adequate medical infrastructure. Whether they're seen as a minor nuisance or a serious health threat, mosquitoes are a remarkable example of evolutionary success, resilient, adaptable, and deeply intertwined with the ecosystems and human health of our planet.